Hi guys, welcome back to channel. Today we're going to learn this things called how to download the particular Microsoft PowerPoint desktop and how we can go for this things called install the particular Microsoft desktop tool. Okay, so you know that if you want to go for this things called download, we have a particular panel. So that is called learn.microsoft.com. So you have to go for this things called this particular website. So here you have to go for this things called make.powerautomate.com. Okay, so here you can go for this things called make.powerautomate.com, and you can go there on particular website. You have to create the particular Outlook account. You can go for login through your particular Outlook account, and then you will come to the particular place. So let me open. We'll go one by one. So here you have to click on this thing called sign in, and you have to pass your credentials. So when you come on particular page, what you have to go for that? You have to go for this things called your flow. So you have to go for this things called here. If you go for this things called flow, there is a create option. When you click on this things called create option, we'll get this things called desktop flow. Okay, so what you have to go for this things called, click on this things called desktop flow. We'll try to go for this things called download the particular app. There is a launch app and download app. Okay, when you click on this things called launch app, you're able to open the particular desktop flow if you have already downloaded and installed and configured. Okay, if you have not downloaded, you can click on this things called download app, and here you will get like that. It will try to go for download all these things. We'll go for this things called, already I've done this things called set with the .microsoft.com. You can see right now it's 307 MB file, guys, and that is the current version we are using. That is called 2.5.2.62. Okay, so that is the updated latest version of the April 2025, guys. And here I like it. You can go for store. You can go for save. Okay, so right now here I'm installing the particular software on this thing's called Jeta. So Jeta, I think you can hear me right. Yeah. So Jeda, please share your screen right now. We'll try to install in your system. Hope you've already downloaded the particular software, I'm right? Can you see my screen? Yes. So here we have already downloaded, that is a 665 MB. That is the file. And here we are getting the option that is called next. We'll click on this thing called next option. Here create shortcut, enable all these things, agree. Yes, you can click on these things called by selecting install, agree to Microsoft system. Click on that install. Yes. So same thing, it will try to go like that. Your UI path will try to go for install these things for all the packages. So in the Microsoft PowerPoint also, it will try to go for install all the packages like that. Your sorry, extension like that, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Edge. Okay, so it will try to go for install all the extensions. So it's fast and its size is very less. So hardly it will take 2 minutes to download the particular software. Let me check. So you can see right now on the bottom, it's showing these things called logo of the Microsoft PowerPoint. We can see here on the bottom. So right now we are getting this things called, we are good to go. Just two more steps to enable the extension. Choose one more links to go for enable the extension and restart your computer. So right now click on this things called Google Chrome. Okay. So here if you go for this things called add to Chrome option, we are getting this things called add to Chrome. Click on this things called add to Chrome. Okay, add extension, and same thing you have to enable like that we have done on this things called UiPath. Try to go for click on this things called extension. Try to go like that extension. Click on this extension of the Google Chrome. There after UiPath we are getting one extension icon right side of the UiPath. Yes, click on this things called extension, and there you were getting this things called one Microsoft. Allow this time you can go for that. Yes, so click on that. Yes, Microsoft. There you want pin option. Try to click on this things called pin option. Yes, click on the pin. Yes, right now we're getting, and click on this things called extension. Three dots. Three dots. Yes. There is a manage extension option. Okay, so try to enable all these things. I think it's enable. Go back. Take the go below. Try to allow in private and allow to access files. Hmm. Okay. So Microsoft, try to go for click on this Microsoft and do that. Same thing. Try to go for add to Chrome like that. It will get this things called click on the get option. Add extension. Yes, it's done. I think right now. Okay. Yes, it's fine. Go for these things for Power Automate. Yes, go for Microsoft Power Automate. More action? No, no, no. It's fine. It's done right now. Go for Power Automate right now below. Yes, yes. There is an option called Close. Click on the Close. Yes. Go for this things called one icon already in this things called bottom. Before your Microsoft Edge, there is a left side. Yes, yes. Click on this things called Close. It's fine. Click on the Close. Okay, and go for Window and try to search Power Automate right now. Yes. So right now you can see here, right now we are able to install the particular Power Automate. It's getting these things called ready. Hardly it will take 2 minutes to complete all these things and it will make ready. We are going for these things called creating your first flow in this things called Power Automate. Okay. So when you go for these things called Power Automate, it's called desktop flow. Here it's asking for these things called sign in option. Okay. So same ID password you can provide here. Click on that sign in. So it's required your Microsoft account. I don't have a Microsoft. So guys, you can see right now we've installed the particular Outlook, Power Automate system. So what you have to go for that, you have to create the particular email ID, Microsoft particular account, and you have to go for check these things like that your ID and password is correct or not. We've already signed into this things called Outlook account. Can you show these things called Outlook account, please? Yes, Outlook account. Yes. So right now we've done these things called login to particular system to check these things called it's fine. And then when you go for these things called Power Automate, it will allow to go for these things called sign in option using the same ID password. You can go for login. And when you log in into this things called Power Automate, you will come on this particular screen. Open the Power Automate. So right now we are getting these things called welcome to Power Automate. Let's take a quick tour to get your familiar with Power Automate and its core features. Click on the skip right now. I will help you. Don't worry. Okay, so click on got it. It's fine. Again it will go for multiple things. Okay, so what you have to go for right now, that we are getting these things from the top, that is the home screen, that is the background, and after home we are getting one things called flow. Okay, so in Microsoft Power Automate it's called flow. When you create any type of program, it's called flows. Okay, click on the flows. Okay, so right now by default what we are getting here, you don't we don't have any flow right now. Okay, so we don't have flow yet. So what we'll do right now, we'll try to go for create the new flows. Okay, so click on this thing called new flows. Yeah, so right now here we can go for create the particular name like that, Power Automate something else, or like the basic program, whatever you want to go for that, or testing, whatever you want to go for that, give the name. Okay, good. Click on the create. So right now, first program, first project we have created, that name is called Power Automate 1. On the top, what we're getting right now, that is the Power Automate back, like that your Power Automate 1. So right now we're getting this thing. Click on skip right now. So go for maximize the particular Power Automate window. Okay, so by default here we're getting this thing called this type of window, and that is the design flow, where we can go for create any type of particular program, and in the Microsoft Automate it's it's called flows. Okay, so by default we're getting this things called one flows, that name is called main, and one flows, that is the left side, that is called sub flows. Okay, so by default if you want to start, if you want to create any program, we can click on this things called subflow, we can click on this things called new subflow, click on that. Here we'll create these things called first program like the Java, Python. Create these things like that message box or display something. So you can click on that save subflow one. It's fine. You can go for create these things called subflow one. So same like that. If you go for UI path, we are getting these things called activities. In Power Automate, it's called actions, guys. Okay, so it's called action. What we'll do right now, we'll try to go for search the particular actions. Okay, so here we'll go for this things called one action, that name is called display message. Okay, drag and drop the display message on the top first one. Try to go for drag and drop like that UI path, and we'll go for this things called numbering wise. Okay, so UI path we are not getting this things called numbering. Here we're getting this things called numbering. Okay, so message box title, it's is asking like the what title you want to give the name. You can go for message box. You want to go for these things, for any things you can provide. That is the title only. Okay, message box. Okay, message to display. So you can pass these things called Power Automate is the best RPA tool, or whatever you want to go for display. No, double quote not required. Double quote not required. So you can pass these things called hello. Hello, there is a W. Okay, hello world. Whatever you want to go for that, you can pass. In the best part in this things called Power Automate, we are getting these things called uh, keep close message automatically. Close message automatically. So automatically it will take these things called 3 seconds of time, and automatically it will close the your pop-up. Click on that button. So we're getting this things called timeout, that is 3 seconds of time. Okay, so you can go for click on the save. And again the question right now is how to run the particular program. So how to run the particular flows. Okay, no, don't go there, don't go there. Go for display message box, right click on this things called display message box. Click run from here. Okay, so if you want to run any particular program, we can go for this things called run from here. We are getting this things called automatically, it will automatically go for that. You don't have to click on the OK button also. Okay, so directly it will go for this things called automatically, it will close. Okay, again the question right now is we are getting this things called button on the top. What it will work, it will only work for this things called main program. Go to main, take one display message box again, and pass its main program. In display message to display, its main program, only go for that. Main display or message to display means, okay, message to display, its main program, or Power Automate, anything you want to go for display, its main program. Okay, it's fine. Click on save. Okay, You want to go for these things called close message automatically. Don't click on the close automatically, or it will close. Click on the save. So right now what we'll do, it will go for these things called click on the save button, the control S, only control S shortcut. Okay, try to go for these things called run the particular program through that particular button. So you can run the program using this things called button. Before save, we have one button that is called run. Click on this thing called run. Okay, don't click. Automatically it will close. I think run the program again and don't close. Don't close. Automatically it will close your program. It will take only 3 seconds of time. It's working perfect. Jeta, am I right? You are able to do like that?
Yeah, okay, yeah. But I just have a question. It's a subflow. Shouldn't it be giving the second?
Yes, you can create whatever the flows you want to go for the Power Automate. You can go like that and you can create.
Got it.
So if you want to create this things called second workflow, you can go for that. Click on the subflow and click on that. Automatically it will create the number also subflows too. Click on that.
No, my question is when you play the press, it
No, no,
displays the.
no. It will only go for main.
Oh, okay.
If you want to go for run your subflows, you can go for click on the subflows and start from now. Right click and go for this things called start your
Got it.
run from here.
Great.
Yeah. So like this way, guys, we have installed the particular apartment software on the Jeta system. We'll go one by one, like that, how to go for on the particular program, how to go for create the variables, how to go for create all these things, how many types of panel in this things called Power Automate, how to go for all these things called that is called actions, how to go for create these things called flows and subflows, how to go for run the program. So one by one, we'll try to go for learn. That is the today is the first steps to go for download it. We have downloaded through like that window, like the Microsoft accounts, and we have done like that. Okay. So we have a Jeta. So how is the experience, Jeta? Like that we have installed the particular software on your system. How much it's taken in your system?
Yeah,
Can tell.
not a lot. I think it was very smooth and easy.
Yeah, so I think you will enjoy on the Power Automate system. That is good RPA tool. So in the UiPath it's called activity. In Power Automate it's called actions. So easily you can go for that. Automate these things. We are getting all the particular actions, and here the best part right now in the Power Automate, all the particular actions already enabled. So not required to go for all this time at manage package and go for install like that UiPath. Automatically we'll get all the particular uh, actions. Okay, so if you want to go for launch the Google Chrome, we have actions that is called launch Google Chrome. We can search there.
Okay, but I have a question on the cloud. Like, how you
Yes,
are part
yes, we'll help for that particular these things. We'll help that. Click on these things called. We are getting these things called launch Chrome, launch new Chrome. Okay, like this way you can go for drag and drop, and you can go for use. And in PowerPoint, the best part that double quote not required. Directly you can pass your URL, whatever the URL you want to launch, you can go for pass your particular URL like that HTTPS google.com. Whatever you want to go for that, you can launch.
God.
Okay, so how is the software, Jeta?
Easy to install.
Yes, so that is a good tool. Okay, so you will enjoy. Okay, so Jeta, happy automation. Thank you very much for joining session. Okay, so guys, thank you very much for watching this video, and using this video, you're able to download particular UiPath Power Automate, and you're able to install and configure in system. If you're getting any type of help, definitely ping me or comment me. I will definitely come and try to help you. Okay, so guys, thank you very much for watching. Thank you.